Welcome back for another episode on Hutch's Homestead. We are trying to put gravel down to repair our damaged cut up driveway. So as you can see, we're going to be putting this down and putting some patch stuff on it. My wife Amber, she's unloading some gravel while I'm doing the initial filming, and that's Oakley, our little helper. So we'll get to it. We got the gravel down, a couple more tamps needed. Yep, thank you. And then we're gonna put down the patch and we'll see how it holds up. We just want to get this done because we're supposed to get some really big storms coming through, and we just didn't want this to all wash out and then there's no protection around the pipe. So Oakley's back to helping, flattening it out with their paws, and we'll put the patch down now. So we got the patch in. Actually came out okay for the speed job we're doing here. We're gonna get another bag, fill in this little area here. You can't really tell, but driveway line kind of comes out and down a little bit more here. I feel like I'm so freaking close to this. There we go. Zoom out a little bit. But yeah, driveway line kind of comes up more like that. Another bag or two. But I'm gonna take the tractor, run over that to just pack it down, and it should be good. We're trying to make it a little bit of like a speed bump almost, because the line comes through here, but it's kind of elevated. So we just want to try to eliminate as much potential damage to it as we can. So, get to it. story with the patch kit or driveway repair, asphalt repair, is read the instructions, because for every inch of asphalt that you put down, you're supposed to pack it, then put the next inch down, and we did probably almost, I don't know, probably 3 inches. So it's very soft. It's not curing at all. It will, but not really good enough to drive over. So I was trying to use a tractor to do it down. I ran it over with the wood long ways, and as you can see, there's a couple lines. But I mean, I don't really care. It's not gonna be perfect. But Amber's turning around the truck so we can line it up, because we don't want to add any more lines into it. So we can we get this lined up so she can head out. Otherwise, that's the driveway patch. Otherwise, I mean, it would have been great if, one, we had a little bit more for there, and two, if we read the instructions. So my final word again is read the instructions. Although I hate doing it, I like to think I can always know how to do everything, but sometimes reading the instructions is the proper way to get things done, I guess the correct way. But this will work, it'll be fine. Probably have to repair it in a couple of years, but for 150 bucks or 160 bucks it was for 6 bags of the asphalt, 4 bags of the gravel, I can't really complain. So all right, till the next one.